Hello everyone. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today, let's talk about something simple, delicious, and packed with goodness: milk. It's a drink that many of us grew up with, and it's still a staple in kitchens around the world. For centuries, people around the world have enjoyed milk as a fundamental part of a healthy diet. From ancient civilizations to modern families, milk has been cherished for its nourishing qualities and comforting taste. It's not just a drink, it's a powerhouse of essential nutrients your body needs every day. Whether you pour it over your cereal, blend it into a smoothie, or simply enjoy it by the glass, milk is a versatile and valuable addition to your meals. What makes milk so special? Why do so many nutritionists and health experts recommend it as part of a balanced diet? Think of it as a team of superheroes, each bringing their own unique power to help your body thrive and stay strong. Calcium for strong bones, high-quality protein for muscles, helping you recover after exercise and build strength. Vitamin D to help your body use calcium, making sure your bones stay dense and healthy. B12 for nerves and red blood cells, supporting your energy and keeping your mind sharp. And potassium for healthy blood pressure, which is so important for your heart and overall well-being. This combination makes milk a powerful addition to your daily routine. It's like giving your body a daily boost of everything it needs to function at its best. Imagine your body as a house. Calcium is the bricks, protein is the cement, and vitamins and minerals are the wiring and plumbing. Each part works together to keep your body strong, stable, and running smoothly. Without these, your house, your body, wouldn't be as strong or functional. Over time, missing out on these nutrients can lead to weak bones, tired muscles, and even trouble with your heart and nerves. Starting your day with milk or including it in your meals is a fantastic step toward a healthier, more resilient body. It's a small habit that can make a big difference over the years. Join me as we rediscover the power of milk and explore how it benefits your bones, heart, and more. We'll also look at how milk fits into an active, modern lifestyle for people of all ages. We'll break down the science in simple terms and look at the different kinds of milk available today, including options for those with dietary preferences or restrictions. My goal is to show you how this everyday drink can be a key player in your quest for a long, vibrant, and healthy life. No matter your age or background, milk can be a part of your wellness journey. Let's unlock the secrets to better health, one glass of milk at a time. There's so much more to this humble drink than meets the eye. Whether you're young or old, milk has something to offer everyone. It brings families together and supports health at every stage of life. So, are you ready to see how milk can make a difference in your life? Let's get started and discover the many ways milk can help you feel your best every single day. Let's start with milk's most famous benefit: building strong, healthy bones that support you every day. From the moment you take your first steps as a child to the adventures you'll have as an adult, your bones are the foundation of your body's strength and movement. Your bones are your body's frame, and calcium is the key building material that keeps them dense and resilient. Without enough calcium, bones can become weak and brittle over time. Milk is one of the best and most convenient sources of calcium, feeding your skeleton what it needs to stay strong. Just one glass can provide a significant portion of your daily calcium needs, making it an easy choice for families everywhere. But your body also needs vitamin D to use calcium properly. Many milks are fortified with it, making a perfect team. Vitamin D acts like a key, unlocking the door so calcium can be absorbed and put to work in your bones. This is especially important for kids and teens whose bones are still growing rapidly. During these years, getting enough calcium and vitamin D helps build a strong foundation for life. Your teeth benefit too. Calcium and phosphorus in milk help strengthen enamel and repair tiny damages, keeping your smile bright and healthy. Building strong bones when you're young is like putting money in a savings account for your future health. The more you invest early, the more you'll have to draw on later in life. As we age, we naturally lose bone mass, which can lead to osteoporosis and a higher risk of fractures. That's why it's so important to keep up healthy habits throughout your life. Making milk a regular part of your diet from a young age is an investment in lifelong skeletal health. It's a simple step that pays off for decades. It helps reduce your risk of fractures, keeps you active as you get older, and supports a lifestyle full of movement and adventure. A simple glass of milk can help protect your bones and your smile, giving you confidence and strength for whatever comes your way. Don't underestimate the power of this everyday drink. It's a small habit with big benefits for your body and your future. Strong bones mean a strong, active life, one where you can run, jump, play, and explore the world without worry. So here's to milk, and here's to your bone health. Cheers to a lifetime of strength and vitality. Now, let's talk about milk's role in building and repairing muscles. Your muscles need protein, and milk delivers high-quality protein with all the essential amino acids. Milk contains two main proteins: whey, which is absorbed quickly for fast muscle repair, and casein, which digests slowly for lasting support. That's why athletes often reach for chocolate milk after a workout. It's a smart recovery drink. The protein helps repair muscles, while the carbs replenish energy. Milk is a natural, affordable alternative to expensive protein shakes. But muscle health isn't just for athletes. Everyone needs strong muscles, especially as we age. After age 30, we naturally lose muscle mass, making daily tasks harder. Including enough protein in your diet, like from milk, helps maintain strength and independence. Make milk a regular part of your meals to stay active and strong. It's a simple step for lifelong muscle health. Stay strong, stay active with milk. Did you know milk can also be a friend to your heart? Potassium in milk helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and balancing sodium. Many of us get too much sodium, so potassium is crucial for heart health. Choosing low-fat or skim milk gives you all the nutrients with less saturated fat. Studies suggest low-fat dairy may lower the risk of stroke and heart disease. Milk's calcium helps your heart beat steadily and supports proper blood clotting. Vitamin B12 in milk helps keep homocysteine levels in check, reducing heart disease risk. Low-fat milk, yogurt, and cheese can be valuable parts of a heart-healthy diet. The combination of potassium, calcium, and vitamins makes milk a powerful ally for your heart. Don't forget dairy when planning for a healthy heart. A simple glass can support your cardiovascular health every day. Many think cutting out milk helps with weight loss, but milk can actually support healthy weight management. Its protein helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack. Starting your day with milk, like an oatmeal or a smoothie, keeps you energized and satisfied. Some research suggests calcium in milk may help your body burn more fat. Choose low-fat or skim milk for fewer calories, and pair it with a balanced diet and exercise. Milk isn't a magic solution, but it's a smart tool for your healthy lifestyle. Milk's nutrients work together to support your overall health and vitality. B vitamins like riboflavin and B12 help convert food into energy and keep your nervous system healthy. Phosphorus works with calcium for strong bones and teeth and is vital for energy storage and cell repair. Milk is about 87% water, making it a great source of hydration, especially after exercise. Unlike water, milk also provides protein, carbs, and electrolytes for better rehydration. It's more than just a drink. It's a comprehensive source of nutrition. Regularly including milk in your diet supports energy, nerve function, and hydration. Think of milk as your body's internal orchestra, playing in harmony for your well-being. One simple glass can boost your vitality every day. Drink up for a healthier, more energetic you. The milk aisle is full of choices. Let's explore them. Whether you're shopping for your morning coffee, cereal, or just a refreshing drink, the options can seem endless. From traditional dairy to innovative plant-based alternatives, there's something for everyone. Cow's milk is the classic choice, loved for its creamy texture and familiar taste. It's rich in calcium, protein, and essential vitamins like B12 and D, making it a staple in many households. You'll find it in whole, low-fat, and skim varieties, each offering a different balance of creaminess and calories. But today, many people are reaching for plant-based alternatives. Reasons range from allergies and lactose intolerance to ethical choices and vegan diets. These options are growing in popularity and variety. Almond milk is a popular pick for its light, nutty flavor. It's low in calories and fat, but also lower in protein than dairy. For the healthiest option, look for unsweetened and calcium-fortified versions, especially if you're using it as a milk replacement. Soy milk stands out for its high-quality protein, which is similar to cow's milk. It's often fortified with calcium and vitamins, making it a great all-around substitute for those avoiding dairy. Plus, it works well in cooking and baking. Oat milk is known for its creamy texture and mild sweetness, and it even contains some fiber. Coconut milk, on the other hand, is rich and tropical, but keep in mind it's higher in saturated fat than other options. Rice milk is a good choice for those with multiple allergies, since it's free from dairy, soy, and nuts. However, it's higher in carbohydrates and lower in protein, so it may not be the best fit for everyone. Each milk has a unique nutritional profile, so it's important to read labels and choose what fits your dietary needs and taste preferences. Some are better for protein, others for lower calories or added nutrients. Fortified plant-based milks can be excellent substitutes for dairy, especially when they contain added calcium, vitamin D, and B12. These nutrients are important for bone health and overall wellness. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types in your coffee, cereal, or smoothies to see which one you like best. You might be surprised by a new favorite. Ultimately, the best milk is the one you enjoy and that supports your health and lifestyle. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, so go ahead, explore, taste, and enjoy the variety. With so many options, you're sure to find the perfect match for you and your family. With so many options, choosing the right milk can be confusing. Let's simplify it. Dairy milk mainly differs by fat content, whole for richness, low fat for balance, and skim for the lowest calories. For plant-based milks, always check the label. Choose unsweetened and fortified options for better nutrition. Compare protein content. Soy milk matches cow's milk, while almond, rice, and coconut milks are much lower. Oat milk is in the middle for protein and adds creaminess. Your health goals and taste preferences should guide your choice. Try different kinds for different uses: coffee, cereal, smoothies, or baking. There's no single best milk, just the best one for you. Read labels and be a smart shopper. Enjoy the benefits of milk, whatever your choice. We've seen how milk supports strong bones, muscles, heart health, and more. The key is making it a consistent part of your daily routine. Start your morning with milk in cereal, oatmeal, or a smoothie. Use milk in soups, lattes, or baking for extra nutrition. A glass of milk makes a satisfying snack or a great post-workout drink. Whether you choose dairy or fortified plant-based milk, you're making a positive choice for your health. Raise a glass to your strength, energy, and future. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.